So this dark, damp cellar here is the future workshop of the channel.
Luke, I am a Nomads Projects.
Hi guys, and welcome to a Nomads Projects. Join me in a learning experience where we learn woodworking and home improvement skills and get inspiration via the YouTube community and then share it on. But first, we need a workshop.
At the end of this hallway is the room that will become the future workshop of the channel. And here comes a quick time lapse of me preparing the space. First of all, we need some lights.
Lights are up. These are LED lights, 800 lumen, and place is messy as hell. And I guess the next thing to do is to clean out this old cellar.
So this is the room that will become the new workshop. Now we need a workbench, and that is coming up in the next episode. Leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more of these, and I'll get back to you on any comments. Catch you in the next one.